Hi there, my name is Marin with 321 Strong, and today we're going to be using our 321 Strong foam roller to roll out our quadriceps. To begin, you want to find a flat, even surface to set the roller down in front of you. We're going to gently crawl over the roller, bringing it to the tops of our knees, then resting our quadriceps or our upper thighs on the roller. Come down to your forearms, lifting your legs off the ground. You can either point your toes or flex it. It's going to change the length of the muscle, so try it both ways. We're going to crawl with our forearms all the way up to the lower hips, and then roll it down the thighs, down to right above the knee. Again, play with flexing and pointing the toes. It's going to change the way that muscle feels. If you do feel a hot spot or a trigger point where it's tender, try to stop there and breathe into it for 30 seconds to give it a little bit of a release. And then we're going to continue on rolling from the base of the hips all the way up to the top of the knees for a total of 10 times.